It's 1886. You own a small pharmacy. Business is slow. Bills are piling up. Customers barely walk through your door. Then one day, you accidentally create a drink that will change the world forever. You're not trying to build an empire. You're just experimenting with different ingredients to create a medicine for headaches. One mixture tastes surprisingly good. People begin asking for it again. And again, soon customers stop coming for medicine. They come for your drink. At first, you think it's just luck. But then you notice something. People remember the taste. They tell their friends. Without realizing it, you've created something people crave. Now another problem appears. You can't keep making every bottle yourself. Demand grows faster than your production. So you face the biggest decision of your life. Keep the business small, or let other people bottle and sell your product. Most business owners are afraid of losing control. But you take the risk. You license others to produce your drink. Instead of selling only bottles, you're selling a system. And that's when everything changes. Factories begin opening across the country. Your logo appears everywhere. People don't just buy the drink, they recognize the brand. Children know it. Adults trust it. Travelers ask for it by name. While competitors focus on making better drinks, you focus on making the most recognizable brand on earth. Every advertisement, every sign, every bottle makes your name impossible to forget. Years pass. Wars come and go. Entire companies disappear. But your brand survives every generation. What started inside one small pharmacy becomes a company worth hundreds of billions of dollars. All because one struggling businessman understood something most people never do. People don't only buy products. They buy stories. They buy emotions. They buy brands. The next time you see a bottle of Coca-Cola, remember, it wasn't built by having the best drink. It became legendary by becoming unforgettable. History doesn't always belong to the person with the best product. Sometimes, it belongs to the person who builds the strongest brand. Subscribe if you want more POV, stories where you're inside the business, decisions that changed history,